Okay, for the purposes of this demonstration, all the fasteners are loose, so we're just going to remove the door panel, carefully lay it down, preferably on a towel. Remove the speaker mounting bracket. Unbolt the speaker from the mounting bracket. Of course, you're going to have 8 bolts and nuts, not 2. Using a chisel or a putty knife or something thin, just get in there between the grill plastic frame and the speaker. Just get in there and just pry the grill frame assembly off of the speaker. The grill is attached to this plastic grill frame by these 4 little grill tabs that are kind of bent around the slots in the plastic. So you just want to get a screwdriver and just straighten these out. Right, and then the grill will just push right out of there. Now, bend these 4 little tabs back into their original bent position. Now place the grill right back into the original position on the door panel. You'll see that the 4 tabs that we bent back to the original position will hold this in place exactly where it was when we started. So just take some silicone and silicone this grill into place, and it'll look completely factory like it was when we first started, and you'll never have to worry about the grill again. You see? It looks completely factory. Now, remember, when we first removed the bracket speaker assembly from the door panel, the speaker was mounted between the bracket and the door panel. It wasn't between the bracket and the door, it was between the bracket and the door panel. Well, you need to mount the aftermarket speaker the same way, between the bracket and the door panel. There's just 2 additional things. One is, you have to sandwich this CNC machine precision polycarbonate spacer we designed between the 2 to hold the speaker just a little bit closer to the door panel. And the second thing is, the electrical connectors on the aftermarket speaker cannot be facing down like the factory speaker was. The electrical connectors have to be facing the rear of the car, because if they're pointed straight down, it won't clear the door. So clock the speaker so the electrical connectors are pointed straight towards the back of the car, and then mount the whole assembly onto the door panel. Bolt the entire assembly back onto the door panel. And now, when we hang the door, make sure everything lines up there, everything's lined up down there, and I can push this door panel all the way in to the mounting brackets touch. Plenty of clearance, and that's it.